Let's go. Here we go. All praise and glory to God, the Most High. Built-in mode caption software. Here. Get shareable link. Share. Um, okay. Got the sweep of the low. Holding this 200 period moving average based on the 1 minute. Also opening range gap here. Just about touched halfway, filling. Um, think we should end the day up higher, but not out of the question that we're going to come back here first. Actually, see this gap line here, gap fill. Looks like a nice. I don't trust a lot of it though. Um, just kind of think possibly we're going up. I did want to see this Judah swing lower before we went up. So far I'm getting what I wanted. Not going to take a short into this. Much rather find a bounce to play from below here. All right. Go bottom of this channel. Got some limiters. No trades in here for me. None of this looks like there's no signals. Nothing's clear. We have an expansion model which is seek and destroy, which basically means Asia's range was small, London went down and then up. So New York could go up and then down or down and then up. Either way. I like it to go down about halfway and then rip up. But I don't get paid to predict the market. I get paid to execute and react to what actually happens in the market. All right, nice bounce here. Just more than 50%. Pretty swift, good volume. Not going to trust it just yet. Let's see, 1 minute. Initial imbalance is going to be here. There you have it. Yeah, no need to be in a rush. Thinking defense first. Inside up close first. Sort of signal we're getting here. Almost signal. Nope. Just barely closed down. Like this as a long if it closes up. Risk would be really tight. Super tight. Hard to execute though. You got to enter and move your stop really, really fast. Wouldn't mind a little bit more of a chill setup. Something a little more chillier. Balance price range here. Technically, we're here. Actually, technically, we're there. All right. This is getting better for the. This is getting better for a long. Chopping bear flag. Liquidity taken if this fails. So people are getting short. Why I like this for a long is people are getting short. Willing to get short. Which is what you need to rip it up higher. Inside up close right there. Volatility is very manageable right now. Really got to pick your shots here. Dang, dude. I wanted to enter there. You can see if you go back, my finger went right over this buy button. When it was a shooter around here, this was the entry that I was liking. Let's see if I can get a half back entry. That would be right in initial imbalance. This is more like a rally base rally possible cliffhanger. I like price to come up here. But you got the moving averages above you. All this is below moving average, which is ever so slightly starting to slope down. But big bullish bar. Okay. Do you trust it? Do you have to trust it? That's the thing. You can take a trade without trusting the market. I mean, maybe you should never really trust the Nasdaq. Inside down close again here. Decent wick. This line is yesterday's high, I believe. Yeah, I think we're going up here. I think we're going up here. Oh yeah. Didn't find an entry that I liked. A little too cautious, you might say. I would say, however, that I am a professional risk manager. Okay. Nice. Very interesting. Tempting to take a long signal right here, but I would prefer it a little lower. Like if it drifted, an A, B, C would be good. Long from here, maybe. This is more inducement. Inducing people to get shorts. Oh, we got resistance. It's failing. Let's get short. Got a bear flag. Give it a little bit of room. Holy mother. $57. Wow. That's why I use a stop. I mean, it blew right through my stop. What was that all about? Didn't even hit the that was dirty. Didn't even hit the gap line here. Let's see. Took it on the chin. Question is, do you really like what is this about? This is more like manipulation stop hunt. Do you have what it takes to go long again is the question. Awesome experience right there. Starting to wonder if it's not a better idea to this is the seek and destroy activity I was talking about. Broadening formation. Inside up close. Hard to go short here, but I feel like this is where you gotta go short. Hmm. I don't love this trade because I don't have a super clean short trigger here, but half back, pull back, huge impulse, uptrend confirmed. So yeah. All right. Well, I'm done for the day after that. Should have thought that through because sometimes you have to realize, like, even if you think this is a good trade, given what's happened the rest of the day and what could, like, what's the outcome of being wrong? Like, I hit my daily loss limit. Like, was it worth it taking that trade in order? Like, was the risk worth it? Meant from a mental capital perspective. See, and I wasn't necessarily wrong going short here yet. I like that this gap wasn't filled. I like price to come back down here. Hmm. So tempting to take a revenge trade here. Not even really a revenge trade, just keep trading. Um, hit my daily loss limit, so I have to stop. But a long from like new day opening gap here. Bottom of this broadening formation is probably going to be a decent trade. 2 days in a row, I've had this kind of trade where I'm short basically the right area, just a little early, like one or two candles early, right? All right, gotta call it a day and go have a great day.